Hey, I just got this in the mail and it's either my brand new guitar or, like I told my daughter, it could be a giant piece of cheese. Let's find out together. Just found a hex key that fell out of the package, along with that legendary Washburn logo. Here's a look at the black walnut fretboard here. Along with the reverse side, you can see the Akuma neckwood. And you'll see that this one comes with its own built-in tuner here, and you can control for bass, treble, volume, presence, and middle tones. Because this acoustic is also electric and can be plugged into an amp. It's powered by a 9-volt battery, and you'll see that it has a strap button on the bass, but nothing up front, so if you need a strap, you're gonna have to get one that wraps around the neck. So my first impression is that it's a really beautiful guitar. I love the Tobacco Sunburst color on this. It's a really nice length that makes it really easy to use, I think, all the way up and down the fretboard. Nice solid black color on the back side. I think that looks really cool. Love the glossy finish to it, and it's nice and solid. And sounds really cool. So far I'm excited with this guitar, but let's get it tuned up and see how it sounds, because that is what is most important. So to turn on the tuner, we just press this button here, and now if I strung the top E here, you can see it's a little flat, so we're gonna have to change it. So I just got it all tuned up. It was really easy to use that tuner right there, so let's go through and just listen to all the strings. I'll play a few chords and do a little finger picking, just so you can have a sense of how it sounds. There we go. Okay, now for a few chords. G at 9. D. C. E. A. Okay, now a little finger picking. Okay, so I'm actually really happy with this guitar. Now I'm gonna put it away and see how it fits on my stand to make sure it actually just looks cool sitting up as like a piece of artwork. So over here I've got my Gleam guitar stand. Let's see how it looks on it. What do you think? I think it looks pretty cool. Really happy with this purchase. Glad I got it. Definitely hanging on to this guitar.